Okay, so here we are in the portfolio. I would like to show you the history. So if you click here on history, you will see that it will show you everything that has happened, throughout the history on the account. So you will see that when I first began, this is, how much I had invested on Ethereum. This is how much I had lost. As I had mentioned to you, I panicked on that day. And I actually made this uh, trade as well. You can see that I have panicked. This is how much I took as far as a loss. So this is how much I got to cash out, right? Uh, yeah, so that's basically what happened. If I click on here, you will see the history basically of what happened, the exact numbers of what happened that day. So you'll see here on April 18, this is the $600 that I had mentioned. This is how much I had purchased it at. So you will see that the price just dipped on that day. It was close to 2,100. So it just decreased about $400. So I just panicked that day, and that's actually why I sold. But looking back, it was a mistake on my part. So if you're watching this, you should probably sit on it because Ethereum is the second biggest e-currency in the world after Bitcoin. Is performing really well at the moment being. So that was a mistake on my part. I should have just sat on it. So I basically lost this much. So this is basically the transparent view of how I have done on my account so far. This is how much I basically lost, and this is how much I've gained. So it just gives you the realistic number of where I'm at. Okay, so if you click on here once again, you'll be back where you began. But yeah, this is what happened and how it went down. If you click here, you will see the historical data. So let's say past 3 months. So you'll see my history for the past 3 months when I first began. So you'll notice that I actually had different types of e-currency. So I had this one, and some Bitcoin, but I actually got rid of it. So I actually sold these three. As you can see, this is how much I got when I sold it. I also sold this one, and I also sold this one. So these are the exchanges that I did. I sold these and I reinvested it back into Ethereum. So that's basically what happened for me. Uh, so that's the 30-month view. My account is only 2 months old, but that's how you would get the big picture view of what went down on the account. You can see when you made your deposits. If somebody ever steals your account, if that were to happen. But yeah, that's how you can see the performance on the account throughout history. But this is where I'm at the moment. This is how much I have invested. This is my current balance. This is how much I have made so far. This is where my current equity is at. So this is my total money, I guess, that I have on my account at the moment. So if I wanted to cash out, this is how much I would get. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So you purchase, you watch the trend. You want to take a look at the trend. Don't go off your gut. You have to use the information. So you click on it, and that's how you can go inside the profile. See that? And click on chart, and that's where you see the performance. If you have investments on multiple e-currencies, so you go inside of each one, and that's how you can see the number for each one. So you can see that this is how much I invested. This is where I'm at for this particular one. Take a look at the comments here. Just read through it. You're spending your money. Think about it like that. You're not gonna be blindly putting money where you don't even know what's going on. So just make sure you read up a little bit on it. The main thing is that you look at the trends, and that's how you know that you're gonna make money. So as I said, today is May 5th, but based off the previous historical data, I only expect it to go up, so I'm not even worried. But yeah, that's how it works. Hopefully, this process makes sense to you. If you have any questions, let me know.